You need to reset your service light. I have a 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Super easy, so keep watching. So I just changed the oil in my car, and I want a full reset on my maintenance schedule here. But even if your maintenance is overdue and you need to reset this, let me show you. So let's start with the car off. I'll turn the car completely off so that screen goes blank. And then all you need to do is press your button. You want to press it not to the ACC, but to the on position. So press it twice. You don't have to start your car to do this. And then the service here, my service indicator should come right up. And it says 4,514 miles. And then it says hold that button to reset. So if you come to your steering column, you'll see these three buttons. This is the reset button. If for some reason this menu didn't come up for you, you can toggle it using this one to go across. And we'll come over here to that wrench icon. So that's the wrench icon is what you want. And so let's toggle this. It looks like an enter type button. I'm going to press and hold it, and let's watch this reset together as it did to 6,000 miles. And you can change that mileage interval in the settings. So if we were to go into the settings, which is that cog just one more over, we could come down here and scroll down with this arrow. We'll come down and see it says service interval, and then press the enter type button to go into that menu and the down arrow. So you can check or uncheck the service interval. I have mine set to 6,000. Let's go into this. And you could actually set up any mileage that you want for this, but I prefer 6,000 for mine, so I'm just going to get out of that menu. Just press this to go back, and we'll go back and make sure to turn your car off by pressing that once. And that's how you reset the service interval on a Hyundai Santa Fe. Thanks for watching.